What's up, everybody? The video that we're gonna be discussing today is the Nikki party makeup tutorial. So back in 2014, a girl named Nikki, with channel name 15 Secrets to Share, uploaded a video named as Nikki makeup with Nikki tutorial, and that video turns a very dark turn, and in that video, the girl was doing a party makeup and then she started smashing her head on the table, and that thing looked so real and that was so terrifying and scary to watch that back in those days. That thing made us like traumatized for a while. So I'm gonna just tell you the update on that video. So what's that girl is and what she has actually doing now, and was she actually possessed, and where is she right now? So let's just dive right into the video. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the like video. Uh, hit the like button on the video and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So the girl named Nikki is now an actor and she's living her life happily. That's what I saw on the internet. And she has worked in the Modern Family and a Scandal TV series back in 2012. So she's doing really fine and she's doing good. This season has seven seasons. Scandal has seven seasons. And she's worked in one of them. I'm not gonna disclose her name because that can make her concerned about her privacy. So I'm just gonna tell you about TV series that she has done. She was part of more than two or three Netflix series. So this is pretty much it for the update. So I cannot play the video on the YouTube because of the guidelines of the YouTube that may be affected by that video because that video has some censored and hurtful things and blood in it. So I'm just not gonna play it. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.